Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to talk quickly about Zoho Overwhelm. A lot of people are emailing me saying there's a lot of things to do. There's a lot of where to start. What do I need to do um, to get the best out of Zoho? And it's a good question. And it's one I probably haven't answered as well as I would have liked to. And firstly, I've put in a lot of people are asking, so I've put in a category in the Zoho ONE forum for exactly that. So just dive in and create a new topic and put in, it's all a bit too much. What do you think I should do next? Or anything you want. You're all going to ask, and the more you talk to each other in this forum, the more you dive in, you're going to see you've all got the same questions, and I'm going to address them. I'm going to try and work out some training to get you back and more streamlined and get you doing what you need to do. So we're gonna add some sort of training course that is probably a Zoho ONE onboarding, but because it's such a huge platform and because it's such a huge variant in, you've all got different needs, you've all got different priorities. I can't get my head around exactly how I'm going to do it best for you. There will be a lot of information in that forum though, and I think the forums really, new topic, just jump in and type it. A lot of people want to email me, and that's fine, but you're not helping each other if you email me. If you're stuck on something, somebody else has already fixed it. Somebody else has already answered that question, or I've already answered that question to them. But the more you say, look, I've got your favorite Zoho features, just dive in and say, I really like this. Hey, somebody else will come and say, oh, I didn't know it did that. Thanks for telling me. And stuff like that. It's a forum. Currently, it's public. I can lock it down. If you're going to talk to each other more, I'll lock it down. But you're right. It's overwhelming. And at the end of the day, you're not an expert in Zoho. And there's a chance that you can't afford an expert. If you could have somebody like me on board with you, that would be great, wouldn't it? But a lot of you just can't afford that, so you're gonna have to die. You're gonna have to just keep trawling through the mud where you just feel like you're not going anywhere, but you've just got to keep going. If you haven't got any money, then you've got to invest your time into trying to get it sorted, as well as doing your day job. But thinking that Zoho's just magically gonna 3-click fix all your automation issues, where this email will sort that customer out automatically. It doesn't happen. You've got to email people, you've got to contact people, you've got to talk to people, but you need to do it, in order. So overwhelm is it's a real thing. It's a real thing for everybody in business, because you don't know what to do next, and you know that there's a platform that can do everything for you, or it can make your business better, but then you've got to spend all the time learning it, and it's not an ideal, is it? But keep going forward, keep just jumping in, ask you the questions. If you're really struggling, contact me direct. If you can, jump into this forum. That's what it's for you to say, I'm struggling, I've got this done and that done, but I don't know what to do next. Let us answer your questions. Let me help you in the forum. You cannot hire me. I don't do, this wasn't a video to say, oh, just hire my expertise. You can't. I don't do it anymore. I don't need to do it anymore. And for a lot of people, like I say, if I say I'm £100 an hour, you can't afford me. So if you're really stuck and you've got lots of business on and you're busy and you're making money and you can afford to hire somebody, then go to pnuk.co/Thomas. Right? Hire the guys at Mobix. They're in France, but they've helped a lot of my customers. They've helped a lot of teams from smaller teams to larger. There's 10 or 11 of them. Thomas is great. He'll jump on a phone call with you. He'll work out what you need and get you sorted. So don't get stuck. If you're absolutely sick and tired of it, contact Thomas. The team will help you. Just fill this form in. Just fill that form in. Say, this is what I need. If it's too expensive for you, you don't go with it. If it's worthwhile to you, you go with it. But at some point, you've got to say, I can't do this myself. I can do all these training videos, I can do all this forum, I can do everything for you, but I've worked with a lot of people, and you probably just, it's not your expertise, it's not your field of understanding, you don't pick it up as fast as other people. You might need to hire somebody to do that for you. And it's just a realization. There's lots of things I'm crap at. I'm rubbish at copywriting and explaining myself in writing. I'm better at just doing videos. I'm crap at phone calls. I hate phone calls. I think it's because I used to be a burglar alarm fitter, and every time my phone rang when I was on call, it meant I had to go out at 3 o'clock in the morning. So I've just never liked phones since then. But don't get stuck. Dive into the forum. Contact Thomas if you're really struggling. Send me an email, support@paulnicholson.com. Keep on going. Don't give up on this. It will benefit your business, but we need to get you streamlined, don't we? We need to get you as fast as possible. I just want to do a quick video just to say I hear you. I'm going to try and help it. I'm going to try and make it make more sense. But as you're overwhelmed because there's so much to learn and so many options, I'm going to get overwhelmed trying to work out what video do you need next to keep you on the right path when there's about 85,000 different paths. But have fun with it if you can. Somebody used to say to me, have fun. And it's like, well, I'm trying. It can be a grind, but let's get you speeded up. Let's get you streamlined. Let's get you going. Keep on going. See you soon.